Introducing myJLA, your 24/7 support portal. Simply enter your username and password to access your account information. Our customer portal is designed to help you keep track of important information for your critical equipment. To see an overview of your account, click on the Sites section. Here, you can click View Details to gain more information about each piece of equipment and location. Everything you need to know about your site's equipment, from the status of repair visits to an overview of your contract and downloadable compliance certification, is easy to access. We've also made it straightforward to keep an eye on invoices. You'll be able to view your billing status or pay directly from the portal. The Equipment section details every appliance that has been supplied within your contract, whether there's 1 or 1,000. From equipment name and serial number to where it's located. You can also see live callouts or view details in relation to a specific product. From this page, you'll be able to access the history of repair or compliance visits, and we've made it quick to book an engineer directly from this section too. You can access information on repairs by clicking Repair Visits. This will provide details of current and historic repairs that have been logged with us. You can also filter by equipment or site, as well as viewing the status of your repairs. When your engineer visit has been completed, we will upload the job sheet to the portal, which you can easily download. The Compliance section keeps track of all your documentation for safety audits and servicing history. It's never been easier to keep on top of accounts and billing information. You can manage invoices across multiple sites, track payment due dates, and even settle payments from this area. What's more, all of your contractual agreements will be stored in one place. You can also manage your account details straight from the portal. If you see something that isn't quite right, you can report incorrect details at the click of a button, and we'll update them for you. If there's anything else you need from us, we're always here to help. You can call our customer care team, send us an email, write to us, or use our live chat function, where someone will be on hand to answer any other questions you may have. At JLA, we'll take care of it.